Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Man at Home Depot After He Steals $1,200 Worth of Merchandise.
On June 12, 2025, officers responded to a Home Depot for a call of theft.
Stop.
I watched you this whole time. I watched you. We got it on camera. All right? You want to cooperate? 100%.
Okay.
100%. Where do I go?
Back this way.
All right.
That was quick and easy.
Never know.
Have you seen somebody sit my side, really?
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
That's on America's Funniest Home
Go in here.
Oh, do you want me to go with you?
Yep.
Oh, I thought you said stay right here. No, just that.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna say there.
Okay. I thought it was going to be under the cops of America's Funniest Home Video type thing, you know what I mean?
There's some big people
Not
that
funny about this.
Yeah, some are.
Dude, I'll give
Deceiving.
Really?
Very deceiving.
Holy shit.
You're gonna sit in that chair.
This one? Sorry about that.
You have your ID on you?
Of course he don't.
It's an old one.
With your photo and your name and everything?
Yeah, it has my name on it. Yep, right here.
When's the last time you got arrested?
A month and a half ago.
For what?
It was nothing related to this. It was driving with license suspended.
Okay, that's why you have an old one?
Yeah.
Because you're not supposed to be driving? Yeah, that's it.
No, you know what? All it is because of I didn't pay a fine.
Yep.
That's
They'll
the only
suspend your
reason.
license for any of that.
Well, I found out from being pulled over that it was because of that.
What's your current address?
I'm really shocked that people actually give you guys a hard time with that. That's mind blowing, truthfully.
Yeah, people run all the time for even a tape measure. They steal a tape measure and they want to run through the parking lot.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's just, listen, we're all human. People make mistakes. But, I mean, to run, to me, is I don't know.
How many times have you been arrested for retail theft before?
I think twice.
Okay. How many times were you convicted of them?
I don't think any.
Okay. Was it at Home Depot's or was it at other stores?
One was at a Home Depot.
Okay.
But the Home Depot one got thrown out.
Okay.
Because, long story short, my boss, he needed a expansion tank and a garage door opener gate opener. And he needed 2 sets of the water tanks, and he needed 2 of the garage gate openers with 4 arms. In my truck, I can't get all of those in one shot. Okay, so I was going the night before, purchasing it, leaving his credit card on his table. He was calling it in.
You don't have to explain it.
No,
I
I'm
mean,
just telling you.
yeah.
I'm just giving you. That's why, but it was wound up thrown out. Yeah.
Whatever, it was thrown out, man. No one cares.
You on probation for anything?
No.
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 Okay.
I'm not on probation now.
Any warrants?
Negative.
Okay.
No. Listen, I'm here now, so I'm telling.
Yeah.
I know people have lied to you too before, so you're gonna see. It's.
What do you do for work?
I work on the water mains.
Where at?
Business out of Waxahachie, my boss. But it's just been, hours have been cut drastically.
Home Depot, you still on?
10-4.
You can go ahead.
Like the water mains, in the ground?
Yeah. Water services and stuff like that. Sewage.
How long have you been working for that?
2.5 years. But we're down to 20 hours right now a week. Just slow. It doesn't justify anything I do, don't get me wrong, but I'm being honest with you. You know what I mean? It's just been a little rough. Family issues been going on too, so.
Why is work slow? It's not a steady.
It's not me. It's whatever work he gets. You know what I mean?
Is it so? It's a personal company. It's not for the city or anything like that.
Correct. It's a personal company.
I gotcha.
We just finished the job last year. It rolled into a month or 2 of this year, but it was a full year for Clewiston, which involved a lot of money being put out.
Yeah.
And they're not paying.
if they want to prosecute, obviously depending on the money, I can either give you, if it's low enough, you'll get a notice to appear. You'll get a court date.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're also going to be trespassed, so, like simultaneously.
It's both.
Yeah.
And then I have an obligation to
Go show up in court,
Okay.
or if the value is high enough where it's a felony, then you're taking the right to county.
Okay.
Okay.
What is felony?
Over 750. I have no idea what was in that box, so.
How much was it, brother?
In the 900s.
In the hundreds?
900s.
900? Really?
They had no walking through it overboard.
I thought that was the $300.
$600.
Stay open.
Literally, I thought that was $300. Yeah, but I thought that's where it said 300 by there.
Take a step back from it.
I apologize.
Take a step back.
Yeah, it does.
Like, your hands inward like you're praying.
Okay. Is that good? Is that?
Yeah, maybe.
He's cooked. He's cooked. Not only that, yeah, well, he thought he was under the 750 mark. You over the 750 mark. And not only that, you hid it in a box. You took items and put it in a box. Come on, bro. That's criminal intent right there. That's like premeditated. You know what I'm saying? Like, so when they get into court, you went out of your way. It's not like you just walked out, oh, I forgot to pay, yada, yada, yada. You know, like most people do. Most people just take some and they just walk out and they do the case of, I forgot to pay, blah, 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 blah. You went out of your way to take these items and put them in something else to conceal it. You're cooked, man. You're absolutely cooked.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you. The time with the Home Depot where it got let go, they had 4 cents.
Give you mine. Yeah.
Yeah, as rusty as mine.
Yeah, 'cause they got wet.
It's gonna be very uncomfortable.
We'll see how nice the DA is, because this is an open and shut case. Guilty.
Hold on one second. I'm gonna lock these on your wrist.
Alright. You wanna tell me what's going on here today? What brought us here?
Just financial issues. Back at home, so
Okay, going
bad decisions in life.
okay.
That's it.
Financial issues at home.
Yeah.
How did that lead you to coming to Home Depot?
Just bad decisions.
I need a little bit more explanation. I get having financial issues, but why come to Home Depot? Why did you come here today?
Looking to hopefully get some tools and hopefully make money, or I don't know. Wasn't level-headed truthfully.
Okay. No, listen, that's completely understandable. We are human beings and we make mistakes, correct?
Yeah.
So mistakes happen.
Yeah.
The tools that you said you were looking to get, were those the tools that you put in the box?
Well, it was just tools I was looking at. Yeah.
Okay. What were you planning on doing with those tools?
I don't know. Put them up for sale or something. I don't know.
Okay, that's understandable. What's going on in your life?
Hours are cut at work.
Where do you work at?
I work at for a water treatment company. That's a private business. 2 years.
Okay.
So I'm down to right now because I work 20 hours.
Where's that at?
Up in Waxahachie.
Have you tried looking for a new job?
I've been trying to. Every time I know it's hard. It's like every time you try to look for something, get something, your main jobs, something pops up work-wise, and I gotta be available. It's just, I don't know, I gotta figure out how to make where I come from a family, because this is embarrassing to me. Truthfully,
Yeah.
I'm not proud of this.
You have kids? How many?
2,
How old are they?
16 and 12.
Yeah. You have the kids. You gotta think about them.
Yeah.
But this definitely was not the way to go.
No, it wasn't.
Is this something you've done before?
Have I done this before?
Yeah.
The last time I thought I did this, it was thrown out because I wasn't stealing.
Okay. Did you pay for any of the items that you walked out with?
I paid for the box.
And which box was that?
It was like a mirror.
Okay. What did you do with the mirror?
The mirror's on the shelf.
Okay. So you took the mirror out of the box,
Yeah.
but kept the sticker on it?
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
cooked.
That's it.
How did you...
It was cut and dry, pretty much.
Okay. Yeah, but did you walk out with the box empty?
No,
And how'd you pay for the box?
I scanned it. That's when they grabbed me. That's when they went and talked to me.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get the whole story.
No, I got to. I paid for the box, scanned it.
Was there anything inside of the box?
The things that they saw?
The tools?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I was trying to get.
That's all.
So you put the tools inside of the empty mirror box?
Yeah.
And then you paid for the box?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And you said you did this once and it got dropped.
No, they thought I was stealing one time and it got dropped.
Where was that at?
That was at it's not at Wellington, it's by there. It's the one on 441 over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, honey. All right. Anything else you would like to add to your statement? Okay. I see
Sorry again.
The man was charged with felony theft and trespassed from the property. Thanks for watching today's.
Cooked. You went out of your way. You took the mirror out of the box, stuffed whatever the things that you wanted in the box. Come on, man. You think loss prevention not watching you? Like, really? And you need to get another job. You know what I'm saying? Because stuff, when people doing like manual labor type jobs or whatever, like, the decent companies will pay you a minimum whether you have work or not, right? But when you're dealing with, your mom and pop, company or whatever, and they really can't afford to do that. You know what I mean? Because they don't have the funds to. But you need to find a job that is going to pay you a minimum whether you work or not. You're going to at least get this, and then if we got work, obviously you're going to get more or whatever. But because you're relying upon this guy to find you work. And if he don't find you work, you don't get paid. Like, that's just, man. That's crazy. Anyways, I think the officers went pretty decent. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.